Hey guys, good morning. So, why is that my face is... Ah, yeah. So, yun pala. Ano lang, reflection lang sa, sa araw. So, guys, ngayon pupunta kami ng KFC. Magmi-meet kami ng ibang Filipina dito sa Faro, sa Algarve. So, ayun. So, yun ang napag-usapan namin na... Bakit ganito? So, yun ang napag-usapan namin na magmi-meet kami sa, sa KFC, sa Mall-Shopping-Algarve. So, yun. So, ang idea namin, guys, is walang gravy dito sa Portugal. So, ayun. Nagluluto ako ng gravy. So, my own gravy. I don't know if masarap siya. I know hindi siya pang KFC because hindi ko pang everyday na niluluto to. So, ayun guys. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano na yung texture ng gravy. Because, actually, tapos na siya. So, let's see kung, hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan nila or whatever. So, yeah, let's see na lang. Ito na yung gravy na niluluto ko, guys. Ewan ko kung okay ba siya. So, ano lang siya, pure chicken broth, pepper at saka asin. Yun lang ang nasa recipe kasi. So, yun lang ang sinusunod ko. So, hindi ko alam kung masarap ba siya or hindi kasi nga hindi ako a gravy person. So, titikman natin. So, okay naman siya. Okay siya. Okay lang. Pang sa chicken. So, ayun guys. So, see you later guys. So, hey guys. Andito na tayo sa Mall-Shopping-Algarve. So, ayan. Naglalakad na tayo papuntang inside. Yeah. So, ito siya dito guys. May IKEA dyan. Tsaka yan, may McDonald's, Fnac, Primark, H&M, Mango, ASTRADIVARIUS. So,
there's the sign outlet.
So, that's a pizzeria there, huh? Okay, so maybe we should go inside.
Maybe it's there. Maybe there's somewhere.
Information, huh? Yeah. So, yan guys, papasok na tayo dito. Oh, they have Primark here, Oli. Yee, so tall. Primark is like a Euro shop. No. Ayan. So, so they have Primark here, guys. Look. So this is how it is here. Look at this here, Oli. Flying tiger. It's like an alley hoop, huh? Nanunana. Ah, yeah. Maybe we could find look, a Christmas thingy there. So. Look at this. Huh? So we need to go through here, yeah? So, yan guys, andito na tayo.
No overload by people.
What?
If you don't fit through them anymore, then it's overload for the escalators.
So, this is how it is here. Oh, it's nice here, huh? Ah, there, the KFC is there. I don't know if our Filipina friends is already there.
The weather can be very hot and humid there. Also, the weather has its downsides. So at night,
it's an interview.
At night, you can't even
Oliver's
sleep.
interview.
So
hi, KYLA. So hi.
Subscribe. Night, it's so hot and awful.
Subscribe.
Go to the
Na?
hatch.
Okay ra?
Lay down on top of the boat.
So we are, andito kami sa ano,
We could go back to
gravy namin.
Gravy.
in this new boat we have
Limuel.
but you need to run.
And nandito kami sa KFC ngayon. Nagpipiknik kami dito. Yeah. There you go. Okay na na eh.
This new boat, the other one was 14, 13.
Yeah. So cute. So cute.
Upgraded, yeah.
Can I have this one?
Much more luxury.
So now our second bucket arrives.
Everything in it.
Thank you very much.
Oh, sorry. So there is a washing machine and dryers and dishwasher. Everything in it. Like
So let's eat.
because before summer,
How is it?
it's very good.
Yeah?
It's a beautiful city.
A German tries Binignit.
It's not like Barcelona. Barcelona's full of life, activity.
And fair.
Yes.
What is it?
Lots of pickpockets.
Yeah, that you have
Every
to do a lot of
day,
tourism.
every day.
So,
I had a
hey
hand-
guys, Binignit guys, kain. Shut up.
Yeah, I already thought about put some blades and fishing hooks.
Yeah. Ah, Lodoy. Oh, ang ganda. I'm not just great, I'm huge. Wow. It is lit. Oh, the light box here, it's only 8 euros.
What is that?
Light box. Like God is great, or a quote. You can put your name, family name here. Ah, look at this one. Wow. Ah, look at this one. This is nice.
You put makeup.
Look, and then it's also a what is? Oh yeah, it's a light. So
Oh,
look at this. There was a light. I guess there was a. No, there was no light. So anyway, and it's also a. I love this one, but. Huh? But
Let's go, guys.
no, let's go.
Right now, so want some chocolate. Ikaw, dili ka mainom?
Muinom ko eh. Oh, look at this coffee time. Don't stress. I love mugs.
I like that mug's big one because it can be like for one day drinking.
Tea.
Bye.
Take off.
You drink up here. Give me one and then you choose. Picture.
Yeah, picture. Sige. Wait. Sephora sila dito sa Mall Shopping. Ayan, dito. Hi guys, so andito kami sa IKEA ngayon. So andito kami sa mga children's area. So may stuff toys sila dito na ito. Oh, unggoy din kay ano. So may ano sila dito, may panda and everything. So, ayan. So, ayan sila guys dyan. All stuffed toys. Yan. Ito yung kinuha ko kanina. As in, cute guys siya. Ang cute niya. Gusto ko nito, pero hindi ko alam. It's $17.99. This one is $17.99. Murag. Di kaya ng budget. It's euros, yeah. Worst. Oh my god.
Everything's there. The kitchen.
Lagi.
Table.
Yan na niya, iyahang kuan ba? Iyahang room ba? Malingaw guro ni siya na.
Kachada.
Lagi. yeah. Ah, pang candle. Look at this. Ito yung pang candle. Tsaka sobrang nice niya.
Tara, okay na po. I'm good to go.
Sus, kadagkos candle eh. Pang Christmas na kayo nga candle day no. Kani dari kani ay ganahan ko ani. Tagpila. Di man sa ko pwede ani ko. Winter. Na di man siya mako. Oh, mura siya kanang
Hindi ko gana.
kanang down yung ba? To candle.
Or raspberry. Pero ilang raspberry nakatry ko. Hindi pala.
Oh my goodness, this is so nice here. 3 euros. €3, that is nice. Cute kaayo, no? 3 euros and I like it because it's golden. Guys, andito kami sa Shopping-Algarve and I have a visitor here. A cute KYLA. Hi KYLA, how are you?
And then you can get to put the tile over here, over here, over there.
Oh, that's a lot of corners, yeah?
So you can choose where you want to. In Rarity, Rainbow Dash, Twilight Sparkles, and Rarity.
What is the name of your pony?
It's Twilight Sparkles, so you have to tap this sparkly thing so you can get your squad to come here and here and here and here.
Okay,
You want
guys.
to get mine.
Oh, thank you very much, KYLA. So, guys, i-subscribe nyo si KYLA sa kanyang channel.
You have to.
My God, English pa ka, tong bata to.
But when they're well to go home. Just click and subscribe.
Oh, what is it?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. So, that is Marisley. Rain. Take a picture. So, KYLA would like to take a picture. So, let's take a picture. Smile. So, that's a picture now. So, yeah, sobrang ganda dito guys sa sa shopping. Look at this. My new companion and my new vlogger. They're very cute and beautiful. KYLA. So, yeah, super funny and super Oh, you're superstar, KYLA. Woo! Modeling. Catwalk, KYLA. Go. Oh my God, KYLA. So, hey guys, ito si KYLA. KYLA, introduce yourself to them. Come on. No, you tell your name. No, you should look in here because that is the camera there, not there. That's the screen there.
So you need to be serious because Tita's gonna put it in YouTube and we can watch yourself. We can watch you there. Say hello everybody. My name is KYLA, KYLA.
Well, it's counting the money. But the baby's laughing more when he spits on the
KYLA.
He's counting the money.
It's KYLA.
I know, that's so cute.
Yeah.
Again. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
My name is KYLA.
My name is KYLA.
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 I hope you subscribe my channel.
Yeah.
Click and subscribe.
To visit? I was supposed
That was
to.
so cool.
Well, I had
Naintindihan nyo yun, guys. Search nyo lang sa Google kung hindi nyo naintindihan. Hindi ko rin maintindihan. Nag-nosebleed ako doon.
Time of my first marriage, she got pregnant.
So, bye, guys. Bye.
I said, no, I don't spend that long in India.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.